Why do humans, conscious beings that we are, need to surrender to sleep, to become unconscious for hours every night? This is a question that Dr. Hwa A, a respected scientist and thinker, often ponders. It's a curiosity, considering that we spend approximately 1/3 of our lives in this state of unconsciousness. Dr. Lim suggests that our other daily needs are far simpler to comprehend. We consume food and water to refuel after spending energy. We seek shelter to protect our bodies from the harsh elements. And of course, we engage in procreation to ensure the survival of our species. However, sleep's necessity isn't as straightforward. Why, Dr. Lim asks, could we not simply continue with our lives, taking in sustenance, finding shelter, and contributing to the continuation of our species, without the need to shut down every night? If we were like Formula One cars, relying on external intervention to repair the damage caused by the rigors of life, the immobilization imposed by sleep would make sense. Yet, as Dr. Lim emphasizes, we're not like those cars. Biologically, we carry our own pit crew with us. Our bodies are capable of healing from within, regenerating hair, skin, and blood. There's no intuitive reason why our immune system or our body's repair mechanisms would need us to be stationary to function effectively. Despite this, research indicates that lack of sleep can compromise our immune defenses and impact hormone production. Then comes the comparison with robots. As per our current technological advancements, robots are akin to cars. They don't need sleep except maybe during maintenance. However, robots are not designed for experiences like appreciating music, at least not yet. In summary, Dr. Lim highlights the contrast between humans and robots. Humans, products of millions of years of biological evolution, possess attributes like sleep that are still not fully understood. On the other hand, robots, products of scientific breakthroughs, function without these biological necessities. Yet both continue to coexist, each with their unique strengths and limitations.